to use the returns module. So how do you use it? You first install. So if you search for returns, you should be able to see the module, and in this case the module has already been installed. So once you install the module, you should be able to see a menu linking you to where you can have access to it, although this access is related to your user access role. So for example, if you assign your user to have these rights, all documents or own documents only for customer return, then they can be able to either have access to only their own returns, or they can be able to have access to all the returns that happen on the system. So it's similar in a way to the way sales happen. So how do we want to do these returns? We want to create a return order, and what this return order would do, it's going to create the opposite of a sale or a purchase that's already happened before. So these are a few examples, but we're going to create a unique example in this case. So we can choose a customer. Even if you don't want to choose the customer first, you can just go ahead and choose a particular sale order. So if you had a sale order that you had done before and you want to use that to generate this return, then that is also a much easier process. Under the return type, you can choose to either make it a sales return or a purchase return. So which means you want to purchase an item, that you want to return a purchase that you made, and you want to log it on the system that this item has been returned, then you can set it as a purchase return type. So now with this, let me change it back to the sales return. You can also set your payment terms, if the return payment was made immediately, if it was made in 15 days and all of that. So you can also set that. So in this case now, since we don't have a sale order we are trying to use to perform the reverse, we can just choose a product that we want to return and select the quantities and confirm. So now once you confirm, it's going to generate an invoice. Now this invoice I generate is going to be a return invoice for this product that you just selected. So now we can see the invoices linked to it, right? We can see that this was returned, so it creates a credit note instead of an invoice. So also we can see that a stock process has happened, and a stock return has also been processed, which is pretty much the opposite of what the sale was that happened. So instead of a delivery in this case, it's going to be a receipt that happens on the inventory side. So these are how you are able to use this to create and track products that were returned, whether from purchases or products that were returned from maybe sales that were made. So this is how you go about it. Thank you.